It's it's the point where I want to see if you really learned what you were supposed to learn. So this is going to be a summative piece of this exercise. There's a couple of approaches you could take. First, you could go into the PDF and look at the question that you're asked to respond to. This is the paragraph. It would be on page 9. You're writing a paragraph summarizing the results of this lab as they relate to the investigation. In your paragraph, revisit. Sorry. Little bit noise in the hallway. That's what happens. So revisit your predictions and indicate whether or not the evidence supports your predictions. You will refer to those notes later in the investigation. So that's what you're going to be doing. Let me show you the rubric that you're going to use to do that. If you go to this, this link, it will take you to a series of Google documents. I've got my fingers crossed that I'm all signed in. I may not be. I am. Good. So this is the one that you're going to be doing this time. It is engaging in argument from evidence. So if you scroll down, and this is there. So if you look at this learning target, I can use relevant evidence such as facts, data, and observations to compare multiple options to make a choice. That's perfect for this activity. I can take a position supported by evidence and describe what is given up. In other words, if you think it's this character, why is it that character? Why might it not be someone else? That's the trade-off in this lesson. So you're always looking for evidence, and you have to include that evidence and reasons why it probably isn't someone else in this paragraph that you're constructing. You're going to, as it says in the Smart notebook, you're going to create a Google document to respond to that conclusion paragraph. Make sure that you put your response in your shared science folder. So after you get it written and you're happy with it, then you're going to drag it into your shared science folder on your Google Drive. You can click off of that piece that says notify me with an email. I don't need the email. I'll know when it's there. All right, so I think that that's it. This shouldn't take you very long, but do it well because it's important like everything. But this is the summative piece that demonstrates your learning and your understanding to me. So, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, do a great job. I know you will.